Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. OpenAI says ChatGPT has more than 600 million monthly active users, but not many have enabled two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication protection is crucial to keep your ChatGPT account safe. Increasingly, people are using ChatGPT for all kinds of personal conversation, so it's highly recommended to add another layer of security and safeguard your privacy. So, in this video, I'll show you how to enable this feature. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our ChatGPT. You can log in into your account. After that, you can go to settings by clicking on your profile. There is an option settings, you can select on that. And from here, you can go to security. There is an option multi-factor authentication, require an extra security challenge when logged in. If you are unable to pass this challenge, you will have the option to recover your account via email. So you can enable by turn on the toggle like this. It's very simple. So now you have enabled this feature on your ChatGPT account. You can go back and here's you can secure your account. Scan the QR code below using your private authenticator app and then enter the provided one-time code below. Or you can enter your code time in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!